Good afternoon, my name is Jacob, the service manager here at Porsche Fort Wayne. Today we're going to talk about body drains. Behind me I've got a new Cayenne S, which is a pretty standard big volume model out there on the road, but each and every single one of our vehicles have body drains. And the importance of body drains is just as it says, it drains from the body, but it's the water. Any water from car wash, heavy rains, especially snow, ice, anything that produces a liquid, it's designed to expel away from the interior and the electronics. The biggest portion of the body drains start up top at the sunroof. You have a seal around the glass, that's the primary seal. Water wicks through it, it gets into the sunroof frame itself, it has to go somewhere. You have rear body drains, front body drains, you have body drains in your front cowl where the water runs down the windshield, as well as a drain for your air conditioning system where the water condenses in the evaporator and also has to exit the vehicle. Porsche recommends doing maintenance on body drains as needed in this climate, being a 4-season climate with leaves and all the good debris in Indiana. We definitely recommend at least once a year, unless you're parking outside and you go through that debris a lot. I recommend twice a year. It's better to do your body drain cleaning than it is to replace a body harness. Next, I'll show you kind of where the water goes into the channel in the sunroof and then where it expels at. Okay, now I'm just gonna use a washer fluid that I have on hand right now. It's not gonna hurt anything. It's kind of a solvent anyway. It'll help clean. I'm gonna put a little bit in the channel here and see where it goes. It should exit the vehicle down underneath. We will see how it works. Right now I'm getting it down here in the channel, here where the sunroof seal is. This is the primary seal. The water gets through there and down into this channel where it's designed to flow into front and rear body drains. And here in a moment, we should be able to see it start running out of the bottom. Okay, as you can see, we have 2 blue puddles on the driver's side of the vehicle where I put the washer fluid up in the sunroof. It expelled exactly as it should. You can still see some residual dripping. You can see for no more than I put in, it created quite the puddle. Imagine a heavy rain for an hour or so, how much water that's designed to expel. You don't want any sediment or debris in there blocking it up. So want to take care of your car and keep it from being a swimming pool inside of it, come see us and we'll take care of your body drains to make sure your car stays the Porsche it should be.